Hello and welcome to a brand new video of Global Techniques of Architecture. Into today's video we are going to talk about conventional curtain wall system. Let's understand this with the help of a diagram which is into a form of a 2D drawing. So if you see, we have the first part which is from the inside, you can see is the mullion. Then we have inside gasket. Then the glass is fixed in order to avoid metal to glass contact. Then there is a pressure plate. So pressure plate is again fixed with the help of a screw. And over and above we have a cover cap. So internationally it is also called conventional cap curtain wall. So glass can be of any dimension, or say any combination of glass can be utilized, whether it be single, whether it be a double. So apart from the basic differentiation of having a cap, this cap is fixed to the main system, and the fixity is called snap-on, or also called snap fit. So apart from the basic differentiation that it is yet called conventional and stick system, we also have a basic differentiation as thermal break and non-thermal break. So if you see this photograph, and if you look at just a image close to pressure plate and the connection between the pressure plate to the main transom, you get to see a polyamide strip, specifically designed polyamide strip. So that is a thermal break system. So onto a toto, if you want to see the overall look and feel, so it would be how it would be fixed to the main structure. You can understand this with the help of 3D diagram, which is this. So into this you can see the RCC and the bracket, as we discussed in the previous video. It is again a reverse L angle bracket. So bracket is anchored to the slab, then comes your mullion, then comes your transom, then your vision glass and the spandrel. So it can also be explained and understood very well with the help of this 3D picture. So if you look at this 3D picture, you see building structure again, you see aluminium transom, you see aluminium mullion. Here the best part for understanding is you understand where is the vision panel and where is the spandrel panel. So spandrel is the area wherein the drop beam, or say the beam, or say the fire stop, fire assembly is being made to hide from the outside of the outside view. So that is a spandrel panel. Okay. And now coming back to the cover cap. Cover cap can be rectangular, can be of any shape as desired by the architect, as conceived by the architect. It can be of bull nose and also acting like fin. It can be on the vertical and acting as vertical fins. It can be on horizontal member, acting as horizontal fins also. We can also go with triple laminated glasses into it. So this photograph shows you how we can utilize this entire system for triple lamination also. Conventional curtain wall had its own drawbacks, its own advantages. Because of this nominal advantages, we still see some usage of curtain wall of this type into the double height atrium kind of closure. Whereas the drawbacks were that we used to have a H frame to install it. Paranchi we call it here in India. And because it is labor intensive, the strength of one labor as compared to other is different. And so when these labors fix the pressure plate, glass with the help of pressure plate, that exerts pressure on the glass. So it also exerts some kind of dimple effect, dimple mark on the facade, because of which many architect friends of mine didn't used to like it. Over and above, since it was labor intensive, laborers cannot be taking up major size of glasses, so the glass size was again a limitation. So looking at this, the entire designer fraternity started looking out for options and variations to come over these drawbacks. And then, of course, a structural sealant came to us as a boon in disguise. And with the help of structural sealant, initially, since we are talking from golden days, older golden days, to the new era, we are talking of starting from stick system, curtain wall system, to two-sided structurally glazed, four-sided structurally glazed, semi-unitized, and then unitized. So since this was invented, silicon structural sealant was invented, so into the next video we would be definitely talking about two-sided structurally glazed. Once again, thanks for watching.